Warm Fun Decor is marketed as an online home decor store offering stylish decorations, seasonal items, and home accessories at attractive prices. The product photos and discounts can be appealing, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, many online home decor stores offer unique products at competitive prices. A lesser-known retailer isn't automatically untrustworthy. What it does well: wide selection of home decor. The store offers decorative items for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and seasonal decorating. Affordable pricing. Frequent promotions and discounts can make many products appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart: product quality may vary. The materials, durability, and finish may not always match what the promotional photos suggest. Sizes can be misleading. Decor items may appear larger in product images, so always check the list of dimensions before ordering. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Review the shipping times, return policy, and any return shipping costs before making a purchase. So, should you buy from Warm Fun Decor? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the designs and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.